Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. To follow up from the past two Among Us videos, today I'm completing another request for a dead body plushie. The only one left to do now is a ghost, but I'll be doing accessories before then. Here's a list of everything you'll need. Like the other two I made, you can change the yellow fabric to whichever fabric you want. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free from my DeviantArt. It's the second link in the description. All of my patterns are scaled to an A4 piece of paper. First thing you need to do is take the first body side and sew up both darts on the top and the bottom. Repeat for the second side. After that, place both body pieces with the tracing facing up and join it only on each straight edge on either side. Then at the top of the body, sew on the brown oval fabric piece so it seals the top completely. Normally I start at the centre of the small end of the curve so that the shape doesn't warp. Place the inner leg and the outer leg pieces together with the tracing showing and sew them only along the straight sides. Repeat for the remaining leg pieces. Then join the circular foot pieces onto the end of each leg piece. Place the leg piece so it aligns with the curve on the body piece and so that the inner leg is closest to the dart and so that the seam is centred on the curve, and sew it on. Repeat the same but mirrored on the other side. Once done, use the remaining open edge to flip the plush and stuff it. Close off the open end with an invisible stitch. Place the two bone pieces together with a tracing facing up and sew them together, leaving the bottom straight edge open. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Pin this to the centre of the brown oval on the body and use an invisible stitch to join it. Lastly, take the main backpack piece and the sides and join the sides and the corners of the sides together until there is no remaining open sides. Take the final main backpack piece and align it to the sides, then begin joining it on. When you're almost at the end, flip the backpack upright and stuff it. Close off the remaining straight edge with an invisible stitch. Then, finally, pin the backpack to the back of the body and use an invisible stitch to join it on. And that is how you make a Among Us dead body plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!